little lane.
Come and sing, come and play, learning letters every day. Clap your hands, 1, 2, 3. Join our ABC party. A is for apple, bite, bite, bite. B is for ball, bounce, bounce, bounce. C is for cat, meow, meow, meow. D is for dog, run, run, run. A, B, C, D, sing along. Letters, letters, learning is so fun. E is for elephant, stomp, stomp, stomp. F is for frog, jump and hop. G is for giraffe, stretch up high. H is for hat, 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 hat. A, B, C, D, sing along. Wiggle, giggle, shout, yay! I is for ice cream, yum, yum, yum. J is for juice, drink some. K is for kite, fly so high. L is for lion, roar to the sky. M is for monkey, swing, swing, swing. N is for nose, touch your nose. O is for octopus, wiggle arms. P is for puppy, oh so cute. Q is for queen, wave hello. R is for rabbit, hop, hop, hop. S is for sun, big and bright. T is for teddy, hug it tight. U is for umbrella, open wide. V is for volcano, boom, boom, boom. W is for whale, splash, splash, splash. X is for x-ray, scan, scan, scan. Y is for yo-yo, up and down. Z is for zebra, stripes all around.
Now, let's practice our letter sounds together, friends. A for apple. A, 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 apple. B for ball. B, 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 ball. C for cat. K, 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 cat. D for dog. D, 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 dog. Good job. E for elephant. E, 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 elephant. F for frog. F, 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 frog. G for giraffe. G, 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 giraffe. H for hat. H, 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 hat. You got it. I for insect. E, 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 insect. J for juice. J, 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 juice. K for kite. K, 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 kite. L for lion. Lion. Well done. M for monkey. Monkey. N for nose. Nose. O for octopus. Octopus. P for puppy. P, 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 puppy. Super. Q for queen. Qu, 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 queen. R for rabbit. Rabbit. S for sun. S, 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 sun. T for teddy. T, 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 teddy. U for umbrella. Umbrella. V for volcano. V, 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 volcano. W for whale. W, 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 whale. X for box. X, 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 box. Y for yo-yo. Y, 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 yo-yo. Z for zebra. Z, 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 zebra. Great job, friends! Now you know the alphabet. See you next time!